So, thanks to my daughter, my porch looks like a cyclone hit it. No different from my living room, really. My living room looks like a cyclone hit it, too. But, that's what kids are good for, making messes. And I get this question a lot. They want to know what it's like to be a mommy. Well, I will tell you what it's like to be a mommy. It is actually not that bad to be a mommy. My little baby girl loves me, don't you? I don't want it. No, thank you. I will hold on to it, though. Thank you. So, it is okay to be a mommy. It is okay to have kids, but I would wait till you're like 20 or 30 something to have a kid. Because you can't do a lot of stuff that you used to could when you were much younger. So, therefore, I would wait if I were you to have a child. Sorry, I had to put something down a minute. So, I'm gonna sit down. I don't know exactly how much of me that you got, because I don't have a cameraman. I have to do this all on my own. But so anyway, it's okay to be a mom. Sometimes I want to strangle her, but I love her to death with all my heart. She's a piece of me, and that'll never change. So, that's a more serious kind of thing, I guess. Okay, bye.